Hey, and welcome back to another episode of George's Garage. Today I'm gonna be bringing in my BMW from the outside, but as you see it's quite windy out here and the camera won't pick anything up. So what I'll do is I've currently got it on charge, but I'll turn on the car just so you can hear it and I'll do a quick walk around, but I'll go over it more when we get inside the garage. Right, I'm not sure if it's been on charge long enough, but it's quite loud, so I don't know if you'll hear this. So, as you can hear, it's quite noisy in here, so see how things are. Well, as you'll have seen, we got the vehicle in this time. Much easier than getting in the Rolls Royce due to the fact it has 4 wheels and rolls, you know? We just attached the tow bar to the front point, pushed it in, not much bother. Got my younger brother and mum to help again. Left not a lot of space down this side, but we can move it over at a later date. But I'll just show you some of the car now. You see, it's not in an awful condition, you know, the seats are intact, but it's just dirty, grubby. Man, oh, I don't know if I've got enough battery power left, but I'll see if it starts, and then you won't be able to hear me. As you can hear, this is me shouting, and you can hear anything I am saying. So, as you couldn't hear anything I was saying, it's got the cats cut off. The guy I bought it from and just cut them off to scrap them and just started to brake the car, and I came along and took it, so pretty noisy. It's got a gearbox fault at the moment. I think it's either low fluid or one of the seals in the, I think it's called the mechatronic unit's gone wrong. See, quite nice condition in here really, considering what I got it for. I'll show you some of the things. If you ever need to know and move the car, you see the gear selectors here. If you ever need to get it in gear, but that won't let you change. Down underneath here, there's a red pull to pull it into neutral manually. With the key in, iDrive's alive, it's telling me there's a few faults, but there's a dead battery and all sorts been going on with this, so who knows what it is at the moment. It all seems to work. I mean, I don't know how it works, but it's asking for like SIM cards and things like that. Got these handy little buttons with a really deep tray. You know, love a bit of old McDonald's ketchup. And talking balls, apparently, season 2 on the radio. Got CD changers in the flap. Glove box which doesn't like to close once opened. You see? Takes a few hits. Sunroof, let some light in. But you see you've got all the heated seats, as my brother's put it on. All the like electric moving controls for the seat. See it move? That all works, all that's good. It just, I don't know why it was getting ready to be broken other than the gearbox, but it seems a fairly tidy car. Electric to move the steering wheel, seems to work. Headlights work. Bits pieces missing off, but what have we got here? You know, bit of toothpaste, always need that, and someone's house keys. The lovely broken lighter. Oh, works. It's got a dent in it, you know, obviously it doesn't bother me, but 745i. Trunk. Comically oversized battery that's now getting rained on from multiple places. So, yeah, but it's mold grown and stuff, but it's just, we've got DVD players, that sort of stuff, you know, it's just old car junk, really. A spare wheel which doesn't match the wheels on the car. So, hopefully we'll get started on tearing this down. You know, with the coronavirus going around, everyone's getting locked down, so might be stuck in for a while, so it'll give me a perfect chance to start ripping stuff apart. So, I think I'll end this episode just here as a short one, just showing it coming in before I start taking it apart for another episode. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, if you can give me a like, please. Thank you.